So this is a quick tour of an interior room on Oasis of the Sea, specifically room 675 on deck 11. So here we go. Going in, here is a quick overview of the room. Typical room, what I like about this interior room, it does have a couch. It does have a little bit more room than the typical like Carnival interior room or most cruise ships in my experience. But as soon as you walk in, immediately on the right is a little closet. It's not the biggest closet I've seen, but it'll do. And then right next to it, you have some shelves. You got the safe. Shelves that go all the way down. And then here is the vanity, the nice lighting for when you're getting ready. You have a little cubby hole type thing with some more shelves. One thing I like to look at is the amount of plugs in a room. And so you have 3 110 outlets. You have another little shelf or a little cubby hole next to the chair. You have a chair. And underneath the desks, you have another 110 outlet. You have a European plug. Plugs are a big deal for me because I have cameras and phones and the watch and all that stuff. So I always check for plugs. And I'll show you what I use now. Since Royal Caribbean bans plug extenders, I actually bought a USB charging block that I'll show you guys here in a minute. So you have a shelf above the TV. The TV, typical TV that folds out. So you can watch TV, lay in bed and watch TV. You have a couple drawers with the hair dryer. You have a cooler. It's not a fridge, it's a cooler. Come on, how do you open it? Okay. A little cooler if you want to put like balls of water and stuff. It's not going to keep it cold. So I wouldn't put any food in there from the chow hall, but it even says it. Keep it cool, but not cold. And then, obviously, you got the king-size bed, which can separate into 2 twins if you want. You have a shelf on each side. Control the lights. And then each side should have a little light for reading if you want. Phones, sometimes have a USB port if you need to charge. I do not see one on here. Have a couple shelves if you want to put some stuff on your nightstand. So you have one on each side. You have a little couch, a little love seat, if you will. You have a full-size mirror. And if they need to do announcements, there's a speaker in your room, as you just heard. And here is the bathroom. It's not the biggest bathroom I've seen, but it'll work. You have some little cubby holes here if you want to put your toiletries. Didn't mean to do that. A shelf underneath, a trash can, and then you got the shower with a glass door. Typical handheld shower. And this only has a hair and body wash. So if you're curious what it has a hair and body wash. Doesn't have the separate shampoo, body wash. This is a 2-in-1. And that actually concludes my tour. So since Royal Caribbean has banned plug extenders, I bought this Anchor charging block, and most of my stuff is USB and USB-C chargeable, and so this will work. It is, I think it was $30 on Amazon, 30-ish dollars. It has 3 USB-C and 3 USB ports, and it'll definitely do the job to charge my camera. You can even, charge a computer here. It's only 30 watts, so it'll be slow. I have plenty of ports for my watch and my phone and anything else I want to charge. So this is one of my must-haves. I used to have a plug extender that I would always, push that was $10. Once again, Royal Caribbean has banned those. So now I have Anchor. It's a good brand. I've never had any issues with Anchor. There are off-brand generic charging blocks you can get that are a little bit cheaper, but I would rather trust my electronics as something I know works. And it's going to have like overload protection and all that good stuff. So I will put this in the link below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. I do vlogs of every day I'm on the cruise. Plus I do the room tour and I do a ship tour. So if you're curious about, what specifically Oasis of the Sea has, what the ship looks like, what the room was like, what the daily itinerary is like, I do that for you guys so you can see if you're going on this cruise, have an idea of what's going on to help you plan. But if you made it this far, appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, have a great day. Hope to see you guys on a cruise one day. Thank you.